Welcome to GK at Amostri. Which country grew cotton plants on the moon? A. India, B. China, C. Vietnam, D. Japan. B. China grew cotton plants on the moon in 2019. The cotton seed were carried by Chinese Changeable lunar lander, which landed on far side of the moon. Which city in India has maximum number of textile factories? A. Jaipur, B. Kanpur, C. Chennai, D. Mumbai. D. Mumbai is a city in India which highest number of textile factory, particularly known for its large concentration of cotton textile mills, earning its title Cottonopolis of India. And Mumbai is the capital city of Indian state of Maharashtra, and the Maharashtra ranked the first in number cotton textile mills in India. Which vegetable does not spoil for a month? A. Bitter gourd, B. Pumpkin, C. Cabbage, D. Tomato. B. Pumpkin is a vegetable that can last for month or even long if stored properly in cool or dark place, making a vegetable that doesn't spoil easily for a significant period of time. Which bird have biggest brain? A. Pigeon, B. Sparrow, C. Owl, D. Penguin. A. Penguin has the largest brain of any bird, weighing around 48 grams. However, relative to their body size, corvids like crows have largest brain. How many bones are there in the human body? A. 210 bones, B. 250 bones, C. 206 bones, D. 240 bones. C. 206 bones. And also, the human adult body has 206 bones. This bone make up the skeleton, which provides structure of the body. And also, babies are born with around 270 bones, which fuse together to form an adult skeleton. Which tree is cut? Blood oozes out like a human being. A. Neem tree, B. Peepal tree, C. Teak tree, D. Bloodwood tree. D. Bloodwood tree, and it shows similar traits when they cut anywhere on their trunks or branches. A blood-like fluid start coming out of it, and these trees are found in South Africa. Which creature sleeps standing up? A. Horse, B. Deer, C. Lion, D. Elephant. A. Horse can sleep standing up. They have a special system of tendons and ligament called they-stay apparatus that allows them to do this. Which river in the world always has a warm water? A. Ganga River, B. Yamuna River, C. Nile River, D. Amazon River. D. Amazon River. The river in the world with water that is always warm is called Channai Tempesca, is also known as boiling river of the Amazon, which is tributary of Amazon River in Peru, is famous for consistency high water temperature due to geothermal activity underneath it. In which country is it crime to use red pen? A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. South Korea, D. China. C. South Korea. And also, writing in red ink pen is prohibited in the countries like South Korea, Portugal and Japan. In South Korea, it is believed that even if someone writes a red ink, the person may die. Which part of the body does not burn in fire? A. Eyes, B. Nails, C. Teeth, D. Skin. C. Teeth. And bones and teeth are the parts of the body that does not burn completely on the fire because they are denser and harder to break down than soft tissues. Which flower's nectar does the bee sucks the most? A. Hibiscus, B. Lotus, C. Rose, D. Lavender. D. Lavender. And also, bees suck nectar from many different flowers including lavender, bee balm, and purple cornflower. In which country trains never late? A. China, B. Russia, C. Japan, D. Brazil. C. Japan. And strict and disciplined staff training plays a big part. All high-speed train drivers are capable for reaching the destination within 5 seconds of the scheduled arrival time and stop the train within 1 meter of the prescribed stop position. Which state is called the Queen of Mountains? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Uttarakhand, D. Madhya Pradesh. C. Uttarakhand. In India, the state often referred as a Queen of Mountains is Uttarakhand, specifically the hill station of Mussoorie, which is popularly known as Queen of Hills. And also, Mussoorie is a hill station in Dehradun district of Uttarakhand. Which gas is used on fire extinguisher? A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Nitrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. D. Carbon dioxide. And also, CO2 is the most common gas used for fire extinguisher. It's stored as a liquid in extinguisher and when released it vaporized and smoothes the fire. Which is the most fragrant flower in the world? A. Jasmine, B. Rose, C. Lotus, D. Lily. A. Jasmine is often considered the most fragrant flower in the world. And also, jasmine is used in perfumes and is known as the king of the flower in the perfume world. What percentage of human body is water? A. 50%, B. 60%, C. 70%, D. 40%. B. 60%. Most of the human body is water. With an average roughly 60%, the amount of water is in the body can be changed slightly with age, sex and hydration level. And also, while the average percentage of water in a person's body is around 60%, the percentage can be vary from roughly 45 to 75%. Which country has the most farmers? A. India, B. China, C. Nepal, D. Pakistan. A. India has the largest number of farmers in the world. Agriculture is the significant part of India's economy, providing livelihood for a substantial portion of the population. Which country has made by flying car? A. India, B. China, C. Japan, D. Germany. B. China. Besides, a Slovakian company that creates the air car, aircraft hybrid that can be transmission between road and flight modes, and also a Chinese company that has exclusive rights to manufacture the air car in the specific region of China. 100 rupees of India is equal to how many rupees of Pakistan? A. Rupees 340, B. Rupees 240, C. Rupees 319, D. Rupees 280. A. 319 rupees. And also 100 Indian rupee is the worth of 319.17 paise in Pakistan rupee today. For how many years does a human brain grow? A. 25 to 30 years, B. 30 to 35 years, C. 15 to 10 years, D. 30 to 40 years. D. 30 to 40 years. According to some research, the brain continues to develop until a person under 30 or 40 years. Answer for last video was R.K. Shanmugam Chetty, and also Ramaswamy Kandaswamy Shanmugam Chetty presented the first Union Budget of Independent India, and he presented the first Union Budget 26th November 1947, and also he served as the first Finance Minister from 1947 to 1949. The video is available on iQuod. Where did India conducted its first nuclear test? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Stay connected for more videos. Thank you.